All right, we are going over quiz corrections if you need them. Question 1, what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is the last part of our inequality here. Y is greater than or equal to negative 1/2 plus 1 plus 1. There is your answer for question 1. Question number 2, slope. Slope is in front of the x, y equals mx plus b. Here's the slope, negative 1/2. So negative 1/2, the answer here would be D. Question 3. Question 3 says, does the line go up or down? Again, we need to look at the slope. Slope is negative. Negative means our line's going to be going down. So our answer is down. Question 4. Question 4, is the line going to be dotted or closed? Well, it has the equal sign in disguise. So remember, if it has the equal sign in disguise, that line there is telling you that it is going to be closed. So our answer is closed for number 4. Question 5. Which part of the graph is going to be shaded in, top or bottom? So for this one, we're actually going to need to do the graph, everything we've been talking about so far. Positive 1 is where our first dot's going to go. Negative 1/2 means we're going down 1 and over 2. So we go down 1 over 2. We have to go down 1 over 2. So that would be the next dot. We can connect those. We already said it's going to be a clothesline. So again, I like to pick 0, 0. Let's see if that works. 0 in for y, 0 in for x. If it works, we shade in the origin. If not, we shade in the part that does not have the origin. So that is going to be 0. Anything times 0 is 0. And then we have plus 1. 0 is on the left side. 0 plus 1 is 1. Is 0 more than 1? No, it is not. So it means we do not shade in the origin side. We shade in the other side. So we shade in everything above. So it would be top for question 5. Question 6. Is 5, 5 a solution? So again, when we go and graph, 5, 5 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be up here. Remember, our last line started here and went here. And we said we shaded in this area. So yes, that one is in the shaded area, so it works. So the answer would be yes. We go to question 7. Is negative 5, negative 5 a solution? So again, when we graph, negative 5 would be with negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. That would be right here. Our line roughly was here. And again, we shaded in the top part. So this part is not shaded in. So the answer would be no. And then we go to question 8. Question 8 says, which equation below is perpendicular? Reminder that perpendicular is the opposite reciprocal. So if we had a slope of, let's say, 3, we would need to do the opposite of 3, which is negative 3. And then we would need to flip that, which means a 3 goes on the bottom and 1. So 3 and negative 1/3 are opposite reciprocals. Here we have negative 1/3. So we're going to go the opposite way. So it's opposite reciprocal. So the opposite of negative 1/3 would be positive 1/3. And then reciprocal means we are going to flip our answer. So that means we're going to have 3 over 1, and any number divided by 1 is itself, which would be 3. So we need a slope of 3. The slope of 3 is right here, and there is your answer. Thank you much. Hope you understand the mistakes that you made. As always, please reach out if you need to.